Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to stop auto update app in Google Play Store. So what you will have to gonna do first, you will just open the Play Store on the Android device, and you will have to just top right corner of profile icon, and when it's open you will just click to the settings. So when the settings are open, you will see the network preferences. You will see the network and preferences. You will just click it on this network preferences. So when it's open, you will see the last option is the don't auto update apps. So you will just put it just on the don't auto update apps. So now you will be without your permission, apps will not updating automatically. So this is very simple and easy. You will just click to it. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.